Now, I'm going to introduce the first paragraph of our 40 forms. Ready position. Relax your body. Concentrate on 丹田. Take step. Raise up. Sinking down. Relax. Straighten up in the end. Rotate. Hold the ball. Body off. Look to the right. Rotate. Hold the ball. Body off. Rotate. Deflecting. Pushing. Pulling. Pressing. So this grass peacock's tail, we can see lots of movements in one form. But we need to connect all the movements together very smoothly. The key is to use our waist to guide the movement as a pivot. Also, when we do the arm movement, try to make it a curved movement instead of a straight line. In this way, the waist is guiding the movement, and the movement is in a curved line. That is going to make everything go smoothly and prevent any stiffness. All right. After the grasp peacock's tail, rotate horizontally, push out, bunch your hook, take step, rotate, pushing, landing, grinding. This is a short movement, single whip. But quite often, some people will make it very stiff. It's because you do the hand first and then do the foot, not at the same time, and make the whole thing stiff. We have to do the whole movement at the same time. Rotate, pushing the left hand, landing and grinding together. Make the whole movement very smooth. Rotate the left heel, pulling, sinking down the elbows, raise up your hands. Raise up your hands. Tip of your fingers, nose level. And tip of the fingers, the same vertical line as your toes. Rotate, hold the ball, white crane spreads its wings. Use your waist when you do those movements. Do a curved line movement. Use the waist is the key to make you feel relaxed. In this white crane spreads wings, we feel our body standing inside a broom full of energy. Quite often, some people will do it very slack. They think Tai Chi is soft and gentle. So tend to make a little bit slack. That has no energy inside. The proper way is to be full, extended gracefully like a broom. All right? Rotate the left ball of the foot and right ball of the foot. Do a semicircle line movement. Hold a fish, a yin-yang fish. Yes. Semicircle, yin-yang fish. Brush your knee and push out via the ear and push out a curved line. Rotate the left heel, another semicircle movement. Brush your knee, via the ear, push out. A bow step again. Rotate, semicircle, hold a fish, brush your knee, and push out. Pull in, sinking down your elbows, and hands strum the lute. This one is very similar to raise up your hands. It's hands strum the lute, it's the other side. That's right side, this one is left side. Still the same, tip of the fingers, nose level, tip of the fingers, toe line, vertical line. On the midline, not on the left, not on the right, midline. Rotate to the left heel, move out, parry, and punch. This move out, parry and punch, make sure the foot agile and moves lightly and smoothly. Use your waist to guide the movement to avoid the stiffness. Pull in, curve line, pull in. Press in, curve line, push up and out. So that's 9 forms in our first paragraph. I would like to introduce the attacking and defending meaning of those 9 forms. The reason I would like to introduce the attacking and defending meaning of those forms is because all the Tai Chi forms come from the martial arts. If we know the meanings of those movements, it's going to help us to remember how to do it. All right? So we start from the beginning. Commencing form is to be ready. Hold the ball. Go warding off is to pull and push the opponents out, or defense, or push. Rotate. Hold the ball. Another warding. Another push the opponents out. Deflecting is to take the opponent's power when they attack you. Take it and to put it away to the side. And then you can push back. Pull in the same. Take the power and let it disappear into the ground. And press in, then you can push and press. Attack. This kind of movement, take the power, put away, and take the power, let it disappear into the ground. Very typical in the martial arts. Actually, this is one of the lots of philosophies hidden in our Tai Chi practice. This is one of the examples. In our daily life, when something happens, the same, better not to fight back, because that power comes with momentum and powerful. So the best way is to take it and change the direction, and then you can discuss later, afterwards. After the pressing, continue, rotate. Single whip is to pull and attack with a whip. Rotate to the left heel, pull in, raise up. Raise up is your one hand grasp opponent's elbow. Another hand, grasp the hand, opponent's hand. Then you break. Rotate, hold the ball, white crane spreads wings. If the opponent is behind you, you can push with the shoulder or attack with the elbow. If the opponent's in front of you, you can block the attack, the opponent's fist away, or block the opponent's another fist away. And then you can kick the opponent's softer area. Rotate, hold a fish, brush your knee, twist step is defense to brush and attack with another hand, another palm. The other side is the same, brush and attack. And then the other side is the same, brush and attack. Hands strum the lute, the same. It's one hand hold the opponent's hand, another hand hold the elbow and push. Again, move out, press, opponents away, defense, and attack, punch, pull in, and attack, pressing. Now I would like to introduce the breathing of those 9 movements. From the ready position, inhale, take step. Exhale, relax. In, raise up. Sinking down. In, holding. Exhaling. In, holding. Exhaling. In, deflecting. Pushing. In, pulling. Pressing. In, rotate. Push out. In, rotate. Push. In, pulling. Raise out. In, holding. Spreading. In, holding. Pushing. In, holding. Pressing. In, holding. Push. In, pulling. Raise out. In, rotate. Move out. In, parry. Punch. In, pulling. Pressing. That's the breathing coordination of the last 9 forms.